Dollhouse kitchen sets. The kitchen is perhaps the most enjoyable room to add furniture to in your dollhouse. Not only are there lots of options to consider, but once you are done, there are a lot of accessories you can add. As you are choosing furniture for your kitchen, here are a few questions to consider. 1. How much room do I have? Some dollhouses have areas for a very big kitchen, other dollhouses will not have very much space. If you have plenty of room, you may want to fill it with counters, islands, and maybe even a breakfast nook. If your kitchen is tiny, just stick to the essentials: a sink, a set of cupboards, and perhaps a refrigerator. 2. What look am I going for in the kitchen? Your kitchen can have a modern, classic, polished, homey, or rustic look, just for example. Some kitchens come with marble countertops. Other kitchen sets have beautiful, bright hand-painted decor. You may want your kitchen to look lived in, or you may want something more sophisticated. Explore several different types of